How to activate dark mode on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can activate dark mode on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to get dark mode on Roblox, then all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, just go to roblox.com, and currently you can see that I'm on the light theme. And what if I want to switch to a darker theme? Well, in order to switch to a darker theme, you want to make sure to just click the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen where it says settings. Then you simply want to go to this option called settings here. Once you go to settings, you're going to be landed on this page where you can see I'm under account info tab. Then you would simply want to scroll down to this option where it basically says theme. Once you find the theme option, currently you can say it is set to light. You can just select this option called dark over here, and then now you can see the theme has been switched to the darker theme. This way you can actually change your Roblox to dark theme. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.